Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of a Miniverse, Make It Mini Food. This is from Diner Series 1. I'm going to take off the plastic and I'll be back to show you what I get. Okay, all the plastic is off and I'm hoping to get the mint chip shake or the banana pudding because I don't think I've seen anyone get those yet.
Well, give me the red bag. Open it.
I'm gonna open that.
There's bag.
Okay.
What do you do?
This is the resin. And it says maple. So we probably got pancakes. This is one we don't have. It's a French toast. That's a very good sign.
But we got the same resin.
So there should be bananas and blueberries.
We got the same resin though.
There's bananas.
We got the same resin though.
And here's the blueberries. That's awesome.
We should always keep some so we can make our own.
Okay, I'm gonna set that upside down for a little bit while I open everything. We had a pretty lucky run today because we got 3 random ones from Target and they were all brand new ones. And we have pretty many of these, so pretty hard to get new ones at this point. I think I'm gonna lay them like that maybe. Maybe like that. Yeah. Then we have bananas and blueberries. Okay, should be ready to go. Like I've said before about the blueberries, I think they're so, well, all of it's pretty realistic, but the blueberries, there's like a light blue and a dark blue mixed in with it.
Yeah, it's so cool, right, Mom?
I know, I think it's cool. And this one did come with a fork, though. I don't know that I'm gonna put it on here or not.
Let's put the fork because it looks like someone's gotta like hold it and eat it.
You think?
Yeah, it looks like realistic. We can use my little peep girl pretend she's holding the fork like she's gotta eat it.
Yeah.
Peep peep. Peep woman. I love her little peep shoes. I just can't get my eyes off these peep shoes.
Okay, I think I'm gonna move the wax around. Maybe I will with the fork and then we'll see if I want it on there or not. Pop the bubbles. Scoot some of that down. Maybe I can just have it lay in the background like that. That's pretty cute. And then they have little couple pieces of banana on top. I think I want them off centered a little bit. And I pretty much never use the tweezers. I just kind of let them fall where they do. Put some in the resin areas over there. Do you want to save some of the blueberries and stuff, Raylan?
Yeah.
She likes keeping the extras.
Because I've got super glue stuff, it makes stuff really awesome.
Oh yeah?
I'm gonna make a decoration for outside.
Oh, okay.
But I'm
trying to put one on top of the fork. There we go. Alright, so this is what it looks like after it cured in the sun. And we'll probably get a few more of these. We're going to try to collect them all, but if you're interested, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Bye guys!